Personal injury attorney Stewart Vance from the Vance Law Firm is in studio with us this morning, waiting to answer your legal questions right here on the air. Again, that number to call, 420-9732, 420-9732. Stewart, always good to see you.
Good to see you, Sally.
We like to remind folks that you handle personal injury cases typically. What does that cover?
That covers anything, really. Anything that causes an injury to someone that was not their fault. Most of the time people think about car wrecks, big truck wrecks, on the job injuries, slip and fall, trip and fall, but really anytime you're injured, however slightly or severely, and it was not your fault.
If you are injured, how important is it to document everything from that first moment?
Gosh, every time we talk, documentation is key, and it makes everything so much cleaner, so much easier. Clearly if you're injured, first thing, seek medical attention. Make sure you get the proper medical care. But beyond that, everyone or most people are going to have a phone that can take pictures. So photographs are good. They take a good indication of what happened at the scene. If you're injured and you have a long recovery process, pictures along the way are also good. So I can't stress it enough. Document with photographs, statements, bills, anything at all. Keep a file. Keep a separate folder. It's going to always serve you well. There
may be a delay in realizing that you have the significant injury from an accident. You do have a certain time period that you can file a claim.
Yeah, absolutely. And to that, your point, so many folks, have an accident, and what happens is your adrenaline starts pumping, and you think, oh, I'm fine. And, it's kind of comically, okay, in a cartoon, somebody, wait, you're missing an arm or a leg or something, you don't even know it. But really, the adrenaline does that. People wake up the next day and go, oh my gosh, now I feel like I got hit by a truck. And they go to the ER 2 days, 3 days, 5 days later, and they think, well, it'll just get better, and it may not. Your question is made that how long do you have? You have 2 years from the date of the accident to bring a claim, but don't wait that long. Call us and find out what options you have, what direction you should go in to make sure things get resolved the quickest and the easiest for you and for your family. Calling us, as you mentioned in the beginning, there's no fee for the call. Call and find out what your options are, and then ultimately, if you decide to hire an attorney, we can get that worked out, and we can work for you to help it, maximize your claim.
Again, it is a phone call. It's not necessarily a commitment to file a lawsuit.
That's correct. Oh gosh, it's not even a commitment to hire an attorney. You can call us and get a free consultation with me or one of our other lawyers and find out what the process is, what we think you should do, and then you make the decision that's best for you and your family, and then we can go from there.
All right, stay with us. There's more Ask the Attorney when we come back. Again, that number to call, 420-9732.